In this section, we're going to see about interactions. Interactions in Power BI is all about control how one visual on a report page affects other visuals when you select or click it. Assume you have two visual. When you click on this visual, whether other visual should filter and show for the selection you did, or it should highlight the data, or it should not consider whatever you have clicked. This is the behavior, right? How it should behave when you click on one chart, how other chart should behave. That is the definition you are going to define using the interactions. Let's try to check it out how to implement this practically in Power BI. So I'm in Power BI now, and let's say how currently the report behaves. If I filter based on the year, all the data over here filters accordingly, right? And when I choose male, that is gender filter, and this also filters. Basically, this slices, when you choose, every data filters. But when you click on the chart, this is the highlighter, meaning like when you click on a chart, out of the whole data, the semi-formal data is sold in India 1521, right? This is the total value, out of which 372 is the highlighted one. Okay, sometimes we need percentage from the total. See, total India contribution is 31%, but highlighted one, the semi-formal one in India is only 7%. Okay, this is what the behavior is. If the data requirement is like this, then you can still go for the this highlight feature. So we have seen two behavior. One is the slices filters the data, but whereas your charts highlights the other charts data. Okay, this is the behavior. How we can control this, right? For that, in order to control the behavior of one chart, let's say when I click on this country chart should not do anything, right? Or it should filter the data instead of highlighting. How to do that? First of all, we need to click on this chart. Then you can see two menus appearing, format and data drill. Click on this, expand, and you can see the edit interactions. So as soon as you click on this, I am already in this chart. I clicked on this chart. How other charts should behave, right? That is what we can define it here. When I click any activity here, this chart should not do anything. Okay, that is what the none means. This option will enable me highlight. Highlight means the default behavior, and this is the filter. Let's try to check it out, each option. Now let me put none, then click outside, then I'm clicking this. If you see here, now when I click on this chart doesn't do anything. Okay, this is the behavior of it. Let's click on this chart again, go to format. I already in edit interaction mode. Now for this chart, this is the behavior. For now I'm choosing the filter. Okay, now when I click on this, earlier when you remember the behavior, the highlighted one, the 372 was shown in the highlighted feature, right? Now when I choose the filter behavior, we no more have the total data. It's actually filters the whatever in India in semi-formal 372 goods are sold or quantities sold. In formal in India it is 150, in UAE it is 318. So this is how the behavior you can control. So it is not only for a 1 to 2 chart. If you have many charts, how each chart should appear, right? So for this chart, you click on it and set the behavior how you need, and for this chart click on this and set the behavior how this chart should perform. So this is the interactions is all about. I hope you understand the purpose of interaction. Using this you can enhance many use cases, right? So there are three options. Once again, it is filter, highlight, or the none. It cannot do anything. But let's try to check it out. This behavior, when you click on this, there is no highlight option. Okay, when it comes to the slices, either it will filter or it will not do anything. So let's try to click on none for both. When I click on female, the gender filter, these two doesn't behave. Let us do the filter for only this. Now when I click on male, this data filters, you can see the changes literally, right? So it is 1721, and when you see the male, it is 1578. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. For each item, there can be different options available. When it comes to the chart, other charts will have 3 options, and when it comes to the slicer, when you click on this, charts will have the 2 options, that is filter or none. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. Do remember that data is your asset. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and colleagues.